Welcome friends. Today I have started the first class of HTML. You can learn here how you can make a professional website with us. I will try to teach you in a very easy manner that you can develop a proper website for your mobile devices or for your laptop or for both. I will suggest you to do a simple steps. Follow my steps step by step. I will teach you in a very perfect manner. You can learn, you can grow, and you can start your own profession or a new job in IT sector with me. If you have any problem, you can contact me on my YouTube channel. I will upload my video on my YouTube channel. If you have any query, you can ask your queries. I will try to reply your queries very shortly. Whenever I have a free time, definitely I will reply you. Now I will teach you how you can make a professional website with the help of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Photoshop, and I will help you to make some kind of a project so that you can take a professional experience or a practical experience which will help you in a job, or when you make your own website, it will help you a lot. So guys, here is the syllabus. Whatever you have looking here in the screen, that is, there are two type of website, that is static websites and dynamic website. I will try to explain each step by step, from the very basic, from the, you can say, first script of HTML. Here you can say I have shown the content, how you can, or which kind of steps you apply to make a website. That is, first is your HTML, then CSS, then JavaScript, then Photoshop, then projects. Then if you learn to make a dynamic website, just like as a content-based website, just like as an email shopping site or other CMS, content management system, then you have to choose in languages, that is PHP, MySQL, C#, .NET, or SQL. And you will, with me, you can also take an advantage to make a one project. That is, you can make any project, CMS or shopping site or anything else. So guys, this is a minimum program where you can learn professionally website, how you can make website. We will teach you step by step. If you have any query, you can contact us on our YouTube channel. This is a 100% result-oriented practical web development course. Basically, we have two type of a projects or site, which I explained you earlier. That is static website, and another is dynamic website. What is the difference? Difference is that static website, you can store data on the server. It is only for a presentation purpose. You cannot edit anything on the client side or the server side. Whatever you have developed, you can take a link of your website, of your URL www.something.com, or whatever you have website www.yourdominant.com. You can share your website link to another party or another clients. They will check each and everything whatever you have posted on your website. That is static. You cannot change anything in static website, and it is easy. In this area, you have a proper and sound knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Photoshop for Reddit, which I explain you a little later. Then you have a dynamic website. Dynamic website means you can edit, you can store the data on a server, and you can edit anything from the admin. In dynamic website, you have minimum 2 or maximum 3 sections. First is the front end. Whatever you have seen on the screen in laptop or your mobile, this is a front end that is available only in static website. It is a first section. And the second section, you can say it is an admin side where you can control each and everything of your website. That is a presentation layer. That is a static website controlled by your dynamic website. This is a screen area. You have whatever you have seen here. In dynamic website, you can edit the entire text, picture, graphics, everything from the languages. That is, if you can use PHP, MySQL, C#, .NET, which are easily available, and you can learn and make a website. So this is the area. This is the minimum thing. And what is this is the minimum thing which you will learn to make a professional website. And first is HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is a first, you can say, this is the entry part to make a website where you can learn or you can incorporate everything, that is CSS, Cascade style sheet for interactive website to make your website more interactive, JavaScript for client-side validation, just like as you have a fill form. So it is applied to make a client-side validation. JavaScript and Photoshop, you can say, to edit pictures, make a picture, edit a picture, and to give some kind of a more attraction to the website. Static website, that is only for the designing purpose, to make website more interactive as you can make. The next is dynamic. That is a dynamic website. That is a HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Photoshop, and PHP, MySQL. You can apply on a backend purpose where you can control the entire section, whatever you have seen here on your desktop or mobile devices. Basically, for an example, for dynamic website, you can check your email. You have to store data on your email. Whenever you want to open your email, you will get each and everything. This is a simple process to learn about the dynamic website. Another you have example of shopping sites, or just kind of another things where you can store data, on a website, and you have to present that data on the screen. It means you have to edit, control, and maintain the entire website from the backend purpose. That is from your PHP, MySQL, or either you can use C# and .NET. Now I will tell you the first script of markup language, that is your HTML. How you can start a first script of HTML. That is a simple software. EditPress, you can download. It is a freeware, anywhere you can easily download. Now go to file, make a new, and this is HTML page. You will get these kind of things, everything: doc type, HTML, head, title, head, body, and HTML. You can start a script from HTML, that is like this. HTML, it is start your script, and that is close the tag from /.html, /.html. The next you have another. Next you have another, that is title, fine. Next, you have a body. You start tag and close tag with the slash body. Title, you can give title you do to your first web page, that is first website. It is a title. It will shown on the Explorer. You can say on your internet page. In body, you can write anything else. It will reflect you on your website. Say I have written here, welcome to my first page. Then I have saved this. Go to file. Anyway, you can also use a notepad, simple notepad, then save button, and make it, you can say, on your desktop. Say make any folder. You can create any folder, or you can create simple here, say my.htm. You have to save file. Anything you can save file from the extension .htm, or whatever you have to want to give file name, you can give. Here I have given my.htm, then save. Now I went to the here in my desktop, that is my.htm, and I have click here. You will see I have double click here. You will see the result on the screen, or you can say a right click. It will take little time. It will reflect you on the screen your first script, my.htm, like this. It is taken time. You can hold for a little bit. It will reflect you on your browser. So guys, here I tell you the first script, how you can make a website, and it is a very first class, very first session where I have explained you how you can write a first code of HTML on your screen, and it will show on your browser. It is my laptop is a little bit slow, so that is why it has taken some time. Else you will get within a minute. It will show on the browser. That is welcome to my first page. Whatever I have written here, welcome to my first page. Now I have to put some kind of a things. If I want to make it in a center, then you have to use very simple term, div tag, div, bracket start, and here bracket close, div. Then you have to give alignment, that is align is equal to center, center. Now you can save here and go save here and go to your browser and make it here. You will get welcome to my first page in the middle of the page. Then I want to show some kind of a more you can say tags. In HTML we have used tags, and another I have to one kind of a very basic tag, that is bracket, br, and close. That is break. That is some kind of a line. Copy and paste. So, and save it here, and you will get the things here like this. Now there is a 3 tags. You can say 1, 2, 3. Now you will get it 3 lines below. Welcome to my first page. So guys, it is my first session, and in this session I have tried to explain you how you can make your first code in HTML. And HTML is a very basic where you can learn where you can learn to develop a website, and everything you can incorporate in your HTML page. Either it may be a CSS, JavaScript, Photoshop, pictures, images, and dynamic languages, that is PHP, .NET, and database scripts, that is MySQL or SQL. Everything will incorporate in your HTML page. So, guys, if please like my page and subscribe my channel if you are coming first time. So I will upload it my next video very shortly, or you can join our courses. You can have professional courses that is explained in my YouTube channel or in my website. So thank you guys. Thank you very much.